What is up, guys? Tony Tone back again with another review. So today I'm going to be trying a brand new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. And at first I thought it was wrong, but I see it's just not as advertised in the picture. But so what I'm going to be trying is the Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard. And it is a hot mess. So I'm going to eat this quick. And if you don't know what an Oreo Dirt Pie is, it's essentially pudding topped with Oreo crumbs to make it look like dirt, and then it has like gummy worms in it. And in the picture on their website, it shows the gummy worms sticking out of it. But yeah, they're like chopped up. And it's melty. It's got a bit of a cherry one. It's not, you can't really see it because it's all melted and they all sink to the bottom. Yep, just got another cherry and a bit of a green one. And here's a blue one, I believe. And I think these are like the mini Trolley Bright gummy worms. Oh yeah. I think the soft serve works a lot better than the sherbet from the Sour Patch ice cream that I reviewed probably several months ago, because that's just ice. It's like shaved ice. But this has milk, so the gummy worms are not like frozen solid and like rocks, which is what I had a problem with the sherbet one. But this, it works. And replacing chocolate pudding with soft serve, definitely an upgrade. So, for the Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard from Dairy Queen, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. It's unique. It works. The flavor definitely works together. And growing up, I loved Oreo Dirt Pie. So, yeah, this definitely brings back some nostalgia. So, there you go. What do you guys think? Would you try a Dirt Pie Blizzard from Dairy Queen? And if you have, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Share it so someone else can see it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you guys in the next review. Peace.